you run a web-first business and you rely on customers coming back to your site over and over again, there's no longer any excuse not to have your own mobile app. The technical side used to be the problem. E-commerce brands and small businesses don't have the resources to build expensive mobile apps. But today, as long as your website looks good and works well on mobile, you can turn it into a mobile app. In this video, we're going to explain how. There's a wide range of website to app converters out there. They all fall into one of three categories. One type is a premium website to app platform like MobiLoud, and this is for serious businesses like e-commerce brands doing 7 figures or more in annual revenue. It'll convert your website into a fully featured native app, just like anything you'd find in the App Store. Then you've got low cost, low complexity websites to app converters. There's a ton of tools like these on the market, like AppMySite, Applix, Convertify, and Natively, to name a few. They're simple and they're fast. With a tool like this, you can build and publish an app for as little as $100 one-time cost in just a few hours. Of course, you'll have to expect trade-offs when the cost is this low. You'll have trouble turning any kind of complex site into an app this way, and you've got to be ready to do all the work yourself. But it's a solid option for very simple projects. If you have a technical team and they have time to spare, you can convert your site into an app manually with frameworks like Capacitor or Cordova. This is a very flexible approach. Your team controls everything. It's customizable and an efficient way to launch an app compared to fully custom builds. But you still need skilled developers, and the whole process takes a lot of time and effort. Building, testing, optimizing the UX, and keeping your app bug-free. It can be a solid option for technical teams, but not a fit for everyone. So which option is best? If you want to turn your website into a reliable, polished, high-quality app, MobiLoud is the choice to make. MobiLoud converts your site into an app that feels like Amazon, Airbnb, or any other high-quality multi-million-dollar app, all with a dedicated team who does all the work for you. It's the quality of custom development with the simplicity and speed of no code. If you want a mobile app that reflects your brand at its best, go to mobiloud.com and get a free preview of your app today.